Well, Steve White Volkswagen was founded in 1999. But our history actually goes back to the 1960s. It's a brand that we can really be proud of. We're the largest volume dealer in both Carolinas, and we have been for a while.
Customers will come here to find the car they want in stock, and they can take it home the same day.
We have a great selection of both SUVs and sedans and sporty cars, also electric vehicles.
So our mission is to build lifetime relationships through exceptional experiences. And I want interactions between our staff and our customers to be both in and out of the dealership environment.
There are so many stereotypes when it comes to buying a car, and I feel like a lot of people they dread the car buying experience.
Many dealerships focus too much on the facts and not enough on the relationship. We want to spend time getting to know the customer so that we can truly find the right vehicle to meet their needs.
When customers request information from us, we don't try to avoid their questions. We try to answer them in a way that is just kind of an open book. So our dealership has a caring team. It's one member of each department, and the caring team's job is to really look after our employees.
If an employee or a family member has something unexpectedly come up, the care team can step in and assist with financial or other resources.
Caring starts with our employees, and we think that employees that are happy can better take care of our customers. We want our customers to feel proud and excited about their car purchase. We don't want them to feel exhausted. When they drive off our lot, we want them to say, "This has been a great experience, and now I can go enjoy my car."